In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. If you've ever felt the need to tailor your CRM to better fit your business needs, customizing your objects can be an incredibly powerful way to do just that. So let's dive in and see how it's done. Before you start, ensure that you're logged into your HubSpot account. You'll want to be working from the correct account to avoid any confusion as we proceed. Once you're in, our first move will be to navigate to an incredibly helpful area known as the Trial Guide. The Trial Guide serves as a central resource hub where you'll find everything necessary to kick off your form building process. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it can offer some valuable insights and assistance as you start creating custom objects. When you're ready, head over to your homepage. From here, click on the Settings option. This is where we'll access and manage the data that's critical for your business operations. Now, take a glance over to the left side of your screen and scroll down until you find the section labeled Data Management. Under this section, you'll see an option for Objects. Go ahead and click on that. Within this menu, you'll notice another option named Custom Objects. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Custom Objects, you're opening up the capability to create something that's tailor-made for your specific business needs. Once you've clicked on Custom Objects, proceed by selecting Create Custom Objects. This opens up a new window where you can input the specifics of your custom object. You'll want to give it a name, something easily identifiable that reflects the purpose of the object. This step is crucial as it helps you and your team quickly understand the role or function of that specific object within your CRM. Once you've filled out all the necessary details in this window and you're satisfied everything looks correct and complete, the final step is to click on Create. This action will save your new custom object into HubSpot, and from here on, it becomes a part of your CRM's architecture, readily available for use. Creating custom objects can be an effective strategy for organizing and managing your data more efficiently. Remember, the more closely aligned your CRM is with your business processes, the better you can utilize HubSpot's capabilities to drive growth and success. I hope this has helped demystify the process, and you're now ready to start creating custom objects with confidence. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to explore the trial guide if you need additional support.